In this video, I want to talk about why use trade alerts and how they can actually help your day trading. And one thing I'll just say is that whenever you're trading stocks, the biggest challenge, or one of the biggest challenges, is actually looking for opportunities across a wide range of stocks. And you can see this is actually my watch list for today. We have 24 stocks that we were watching, and one thing just to note is if you're looking at a basket of stocks for trade setups, you're not going to be able to pay attention to everything at the same time, right? And so it's really a good idea to have alerts in place that if a stock does something that is important to you, that you actually get alerted. So that what I'll do is I'll actually show you, this is a list of active alerts that we have through our Interactive Brokers platform. And you can see my wife Nikki, who does a lot more stock trading than I do intraday, she's the one that usually sets those up. But one thing to kind of pay attention to here is things like key areas where the market, if you're looking for, say, a breakdown, say if we're looking to short here through this break, then what we would want to do is have a trade alert that if price actually breaks through this level, we want to know about it because there might be a trade there. And so I'm not going to really spend too much time on how to set trade alerts. In TradeStation, it's pretty easy. You have a horizontal line, you come up here to alerts, and you hit enable alert. But in other platforms, you do it different ways. For example, a trade that we got alerted on today was Neon. We actually had a trade off of the open here. I'll just kind of blow this up so you can see it. And we had an alert set from the pre-market here from a break of the high of yesterday. And once we saw that in the pre-market, so this was actually the pre-market activity, we looked for our setup and entry off of market open, and basically got a fill very, very low, right? So the idea, whenever you're going to be day trading, even if you're getting in quickly or if you're holding for hours, is to be able to buy low. And the way that you do that is through speed, precision, and discipline, right? If you don't have a professional trading platform, or if you're chasing price, then you're more than likely going to end up in the 90% of traders that actually lose money. So the thing with trade alerts is it will help you manage your watch list and be able to focus on more effectively, right? Because if you're trading Forex or futures, like I really like trading E-mini futures, the benefit there is you only have a handful of markets, right? So the primary markets are the E-mini S&P, the Russell 2000, the Dow, and then the Nasdaq. These are the four U.S. stock indices. Now I also trade oil and gold through the E-mini futures, but the benefit to that is you only have a handful of markets to trade, but there's also a lot of opportunity in the stock market. And so that's why, we really like to look for these high probability scenarios, and why we do really well in the stock market is because we have these things in place. We have speed, we have precision, we have a rules-based trading strategy, we understand how to implement risk, and then finally, we have spent many, many years and a lot of time really developing skill, and now we're actually helping other traders do that. So if you have any questions, let me know. Please like up the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and feel free also to click the link below and you can get a free video series on how to actually become a day trader. So I look forward to talking to you soon. Hopefully this video was helpful. See you in the next one.